Hello friends, I, Anuradha Varal, Assistant Professor in Computer Department at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this video, we will introduce about minimum spanning tree. That is, it is a part of greedy algorithm. So the applications of greedy algorithm, knapsack problem, minimum spanning trees, single source shortest path algorithm and Huffman's tree construction. So in this video, we will see minimum spanning tree. A spanning tree S is a subset of tree T in which all the vertices of tree T are present, but it may not contain all the edges. The minimum spanning tree of weighted connected graph G is called minimum spanning tree if its weight is minimum. So this is the example. So graph here 1, 2, 3, 4. So these all are the connected with the edges, and the spanning tree which is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3 will be connected to 1, 4. Means here no cycle should be created. So algorithm of minimum spanning tree. There are the two algorithms, Prim's algorithm and Kruskal algorithm. So we will see one by one. First one, Prim's algorithm. So additive operations for Prim's algorithm. So in a Prim's algorithm, the pair with the minimum weight is to be chosen, means then the adjacent to these vertices whichever is the edge having the minimum weight is selected, and this process will be continue till the vertices are not to be covered, and the necessary condition is this case is that circuit should not be formed, means cycle should not be formed. So abstract data type prim, here instances are Prim's algorithm is applied on a weighted graph G for creating a minimum spanning tree, and path length of spanning tree can be obtained. So the operations: 1. Select an edge with a minimum weight. Then second, add the vertices in the set V. Third, then select any edge with a minimum weight such that the edge is adjacent to any vertex from set V. And last, repeat step 1, 2, 3 until all the vertices are selected, but circuit should not be formed while selecting these vertices. For example, here this is example. First step, we have to select the minimum vertices path. That is, minimum vertices path is 1. This is from 1 to 3. So select this edge 1 to 3. Then second step, we have to choose on the next minimum path which is starting from 1 or 3. So here select 1 to 2, there is a minimum path is 3. Then second step 3, select 2 to 5. So 2 to 5 there is 3. Then select 3 to 6. So 3 to 6 there is 4 weight. And the last step, select 6 to 4, it gives 2, means thus total path length of the MST, that is minimum spanning tree, is 13. Next, Kruskal's algorithm. The minimum weight is obtained. In a Kruskal algorithm, the minimum weight is obtained, means in this algorithm also the circuit should not be formed, and each time the edge of the minimum weight has to be selected from the graph, and it is not necessary in this algorithm to have edge of minimum weights to be adjacent. Means first step is what? Sort all the edges from the low weight to high weight, and then next step, take the edge with the lowest weight and use it to connect the vertices of graph. And if adding an edge create a cycle, then reset that edge and go for the next least weight edge. And the last step, keep adding edges until all the vertices are connected and a minimum spanning tree, that is MST, is obtained. So here is example. First step, we have to choose on the minimum weight. So the minimum weight 1 to 6, 10. Then step 2, minimum weight 3 to 4 is what? 12. Then next, minimum weight is 2 to 7, 14. Then next minimum weight 2 to 3. So 2 to 3, it gives 16. Then minimum weight 4 to 5. 4 to 5 is 22. But 7 to 4 is also minimum, but there gives the cycle. That's why we reset this age and we select the age from 4 to 5. Then next minimum weight is 5 to 6, that is 25. So the total path length of the MST is 99. Difference between Prim's and Kruskal algorithm. So first difference is what? Prim's algorithm initializes with node and Kruskal algorithm initializes with edges. Then second, in a Prim's algorithm, next node is always selected from previously selected node. And in Kruskal's algorithm, the minimum weight age is selected independent of earlier selection. Then third, in a Prim's algorithm, graph must be connected and Kruskal algorithm can work with the disconnected graph, means it gives the two graph also. Then fourth, the time complexity of Prim's algorithm is big O of V, that is which is depends on the all vertices, and the Kruskal algorithm time complexity is big O of log V. Thank you.